Hello, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday. And yes, or should I say no? That is not an oxymoron. That's not an oxymoron. Happy Monday to you, everybody. Hello, everybody. My name is Seif Sakalala. Thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel. Um, and this video right here is especially for I'm recording it especially for my SDK Alter Ego and Associates creative page on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's dive right in. The topic for today. So my videos are KISS style, right? Keep it simple, sweetheart. Keep it simple, sweetheart. Not the other one, not the STUP dot one. And so the topic today is very simple, really. Okay, the topic is it's tongue in cheek, obviously. And before I start it, one other kind of request that I have for my people. Anybody that wants to collaborate with me, that wants to work with me. So this is my style. Is like just kind of the way I do things. Is uh, for now anyway. My videos are KISS because I don't. I could invest in like just learning all the fancy production stuff and whatnot, the special effects and all that. It's easy enough, but guess what? You can't do it all. All right. So speaking of that, here goes. The topic, all right, for today's video is 10 reasons why those haters who think professional writing is easy are right. Now, I'm gonna be reading this like the way ChatGPT meant for me to actually like just write it. Or looks like it's a quick little video. It's meant to be like three like total of like around 4 minutes because I see or is it? Not sure. Is it like it looks to be like maybe five-ish, 10-ish minutes tops, right? In any case, that is my videos are always brief lengths. That's what I try to do anyway. So, all right, is this balancing? All right, so, all right, top 10 reasons why those haters who think professional writing is easy are right. So, people that think that like writing is easy are right. Okay. Oh, and by the way, the greeting is supposed to be, "Hey y'all, welcome back to the SDK A&E channel where we write books, drink coffee, and cry into our keyboards." Okay, reason number one, you wake up and download the plot from heaven. The outline schmoutline. Well, come on now, it's called divine revelation. Duh. And then it says cut to Seif staring at the ceiling for 90 minutes. So I guess there should be a ticker there, like time. All right, cool. Number one. Number two, 15 point of views, or literally they have that 15, but how many point of views should I use, right? In any case, that's easy, right? Remember who's talking, right? That's all. I mean, never mind that it could be Princess Leia or Baba or Edwin, right, from the book. So these references are easy to catch. Like if you read the samples that I shared earlier, okay, up to the end of chapter 3. I believe the point of views I have in there are Edwin, Baba. I might have Princess Leia as well, or not. Anyway, so yeah, so but who's talking here? Is it JB? Oh, JB. I have JB in there. So, but you know what? Is it Zach? Oh my God! Is it the villain? Is it the one of the heroes? SHIT. That's what it says right here. Not my words. All right. Number 3. I mean, so a book of this magnitude, right? You're trying to write a novel, and you're a debut writer or whatever. But guess what? 85,000 to 100,000 words. Easy. It's like drinking water or coffee. All right, moving right along. This feels so how many reasons do we have? So we have a grand total of 10 reasons. All right, reason number 4. Plot twists. Plot twists appear fully formed in your brain, just like that, right? So the story. You have a beginning of the story, okay, the tension rising, the climax, yeah, and then the denouement, like the resolution of the climax and the denouement, and all these things just come just like that, right? You know, the plot is smooth, everything is all worked out. You dig? All right, let's reason number 4. Number 5, copy editing is just a vibe check. Is it Baba? Is it Baba said or is it said Baba? Or do I just scream into the void? I'm quoting ChatGPT here. Insert. Save cross-checking CMOs. That's I believe is an acronym for is it Chicago manuscript style with post-edits in beard. Okay. All right. The backstory writes itself is number 6. Chapter 2. No, let me just casually invent a wartime excavation scene in the Ituri rainforest, you know? Now, this right here, for real, I've actually shared this bit, right? So let me just invent it. Since the entire plot line, right? Yeah, that's just how I do it, because you sit on your computer and you just, you know, like the plot just comes to you, okay? Alrighty, that was number 6. Number 7, you never doubt yourself. No, ain't no imposter syndrome. What is that? Imposter syndrome? Who has that? Who gets that? I don't know what that is. Come on. No. I'm the man. I'm a writer. Get it? Okay. That's number 7. Alright, and it has cut to Ibra. Ibra deserves better. So ChatGPT is helping me write this book. And I don't want to reveal too much, but basically, let me give you guys a clue. Those of us that read Pillars of the Earth, right? And Tom Builder, I didn't like him because of the way he was treating Jack, right? I felt like he was biased against Jack. Like Tom Builder's son was bullying Jack, but eventually, he, what do you say? How do you, like, basically, like, you know, he died, right? Like Hugh. The villain kicked him with a horse, right? Like oh, spoiler alert, I guess. The point is that, like, so those of us that like it's like, do you fall in love with your characters? Basically, it's what, you know, that's what ChatGPT is making a mention here. And, you know, like, you even get to, like, it says, wait, should I delete this entire chapter? So these are the things that, like, you know, but again, all this does not happen, okay? All right, number 8, world building done in a day. So it's like you have, like, this entire world that you're building, all right, like an alternative, like, how do you say? So in this case, the setting is East Africa, South Africa, the UK, London, Europe, NATO, and United States, McLean, Virginia. And guess what? All that just, what does it say here? It's just done in a day, just like that. All right. Okay. Cool. Number 9, that was number 8, right? Number 9, all you need is the muse. That's all you need. Just the muse, inspiration. The words just flow out of your brain, just like that. Okay, she shows up daily, especially when the rent is due. Insert clip, Seif pacing the kitchen, muttering, I swear to God, Chapter 5 is gonna kill me. Actually, you know what? I'm not cutting to anything, because I'm not fancy like that. But I can share my crazy wall. Like, so this is like the mapping out of the different chapters, right? So there you go. So that I can share, okay? So that's what, was that number 8? Was that number 8 or number 9? That was like, yeah, that was number 9, number 9. And finally, number 10 is, the whole novel is just one sentence at a time. Okay, that one's actually true. That was actually true. All right, and then ChatGPT tells me to say at the end, if you like this video, please actually like it, comment, you know, give us some feedback, and just, you know, and those of us that, like, know the fact that, like, you know, again, this is all tongue in cheek. So, like, those of us that know, I guess. All right. What does it say here? Like, comment, and share if you've ever stared. If you've ever stared at your screen wondering if comma splices are a felony, the way some of us actually believe they should be, and yes, they are. Okay. Peace and love. More PGW, meaning Papa Guru's world, coming your way. All right. Serious hat time. Look, I shared an inspirational message yesterday, like, for a mighty week, in terms of, like, kind of the themes that I might try to I might try to use this week for inspirational messages on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is my primary outlet in terms of creativity. I'm showing these books because, as I'm writing, like I'm actually just, this is what I'm actually doing, like catching actually some typos, right? This is never, Ken Follett's never, he writes very good historical fiction, but I really like his modern spy thrillers as well. Robert Ludlum, those of you guys that like the Bourne movies, and then you might have read the books as well. Look, uh, I wish everybody a great week ahead. Okay, life is not easy, uh, but that's what makes it worth it. I know. Like if you're going through some like deep trouble right now, hearing that, like you probably want to, just break your computer, meaning like maybe you want to come punch me, right, or something like that. But it gets better. Take it one day at a time. Uh, some of us, you're not alone out there. We understand. A lot of us understand what you're going through in terms of whatever it is you're doing. I don't care if you're an engineer, you're in construction, you're a teacher. Okay. Oh, by the way, teachers, yay! Like summer break is coming up, and then people think, oh my, teachers are now just gonna chill. You know, there you go. Like they don't know the fact that teachers now have to actually go. There's a lot of work they gotta catch up on in the summer and stuff, and prepping for the next academic year and all that. So anyway, have a great week ahead. SDK Alter Ego members, the Premier 100 and Premier Plus members, that is actually a real thing. Like, so it's like at this point, the brand that I should be like my brand. People that know me, people that are following me so far, or like people that are acquainted with me, it should be starting to be obvious that the fact that like I don't say things, that I don't make false promises. Like I just I'm old fashioned like that. I don't like to say things to make promises that I cannot keep. So Premier 100 right now we're at 88 members out of the Premier 100. I don't believe in following. I believe in just community. So this is a membership. The Premier 100 is a membership with heavy discounts on free premium products later. Okay, and then Premier Plus is also a community. Okay, because later on you're gonna have other platforms, maybe if books are getting released on Amazon or whatever. And then guess what? If you're a member of the community, it starts on LinkedIn, and then but it's a real community. Like that's not a gimmick. Okay, have a blessed week ahead, everybody. God bless. Oh, well, for the believers among us, God bless you. For everybody else, best of luck. All right, peace out. All right, bye now.